try that. Yeah, nice. And they've GeoGuessr this new thing where they put glass confetti. Maybe we don't want that confetti. Let me know in the comments if you want confetti or not. How do you turn that off? There we go. This is actually going to be St. Kitts and Nevis, that flag. Tiny little Caribbean island country. Here. Where are we at? Basseterre, that's what we're looking at. Yeah, can we line this up? Yeah, but definitely fits. Could be 5k. Somewhere here maybe. Let's go here. Looking pretty close. Oh, wow, cool. It wasn't capital, as I said. I know everything's capital, but I tried capital, so. That's actually going to be the Northern Cyprus flag. Not looking the best for us, but Northern Cyprus. It probably won't be Nicosia, but I should try it there anyway. Oh no, it was Nicosia. Just on the border with Cyprus. What's next? Looking in this direction, we had a flag probably. I think I've had this location a while ago, but I can't remember where it was. Oh, the flags are over there. It's Panama. It's Panama. Let's just go Panama City. Somewhere here maybe. Yeah, I was just a bit further down there, but that's a good guess. Looking here, you can't actually see it. We'll have a look around though. Hang on. Where is the flag? It's there. It's Cyprus. Just go in here and just let's just go. Yeah, just Nicosia will do. So far, no flags have troubled us. Nice. No flags have troubled us. Yeah, 24,800. That's a really good game. Let's play again. What do we want? What do we got? We got instructions. Looking very German, that little language. Where is the flag? Is it that? It looks like the flag of Austria, and the language probably is not. And I guess it could be Germany, but no, I think this is just Austria somewhere. I don't know. Like, go to Vienna. Why not? It was Vienna. Nice. Keep going. That's gonna be. Oh, this is an obscure one. This is. I'll pause for a second. You guys know what it is? It's right. That's Sao Tome and Principe. It's an obscure little island down way. Where is it? Just here. It's this country here. Like, no one even knows this country, but it does exist. We'll go into the capital, which is just Sao Tome. Let's go there somewhere. There's a kilometer out, 900 meters. See, the city's small, very small. We are looking at where Netherlands with the yellow plates. I'm assuming we have a flag somewhere. Just looks like the Netherlands. Where is the flag? Panning in this direction. I'm just going to go to Netherlands. It just looks like kind of middle of Amsterdam, pretty much. Yeah, just get in there. Middle of Amsterdam should be good, I think. 1 kilometer away, very nice stuff. I think it'll be difficult at 5k. What the? Slovenia. Wow. Let's just get in there, get into Slovenia. Ljubljana. Guess. Nice. Really good guess. Nearly the 5k. Wow. Pretty big city too, Ljubljana. What is this? This is gonna be Libya. Let's get in there. Tripoli. I mean, it's not necessarily the capital, but we'll just go Tripoli, sure. Yeah, 2.5. Most of them are in the capital, but it's not always the capital. That was an even better game. A lot of Europes in that round. 2 Africas and 3 Europes. Hopefully we get more of a world seed. A bit more worldly than that, but we'll see what happens. We come in here. Can't see the flag at all. What are we looking at here? That is, oh god, what are these flags? Oh god. Okay, these are the flags. Let's have a look around. I don't recognize any of these flags. No, I don't. I do recognize this flag though, which is like, where is it? Which is the one? That one. What is this round? This round is throwing me. thrown curveballs everywhere. This is mad. What the? Oh, it's there. It's Palau. God. Oh, yeah, we're in Palau. Thank God for that. Jeez, I was so stupid. I couldn't see the flag anywhere. Oh, where are we? Where is the? I know the capital's Nugaroma, but I feel like we might be in Karol. It's a pretty big city. What are we at? Some sort of like? Oh, we could be actually just in the capital city. Maybe it actually was just the capital. What is there here though? There's almost nothing here though. It could be this thing, I guess. Where are we? It's south. We got a bay there north. That makes sense. I mean, kinda. I think it's a bit far away, but you can understand how small this area is. We'll just go there, sure. Yeah, it's a 5k. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's keep going. We'll go. Alright. See what we got happening. We've got. Oh, this is one of the British overseas territories. Which one is this? It's one of them. It's like. I'm gonna go like Cayman Islands, but this could be the first time I get it wrong. I'm gonna go Cayman, but could be like I don't know, just one of those British overseas territories. Where the hell is their capital? I'm just gonna go like in West Bay. I don't know where this could be really. Yeah, it was Turks and Caicos. That's another one I was thinking of. But we got Caribbean, but we screwed up, so not the best. Where's the flag? It's right there. It's San Marino actually. That's kind of nice. We'll get a very high score here. Easy points here, I think. Let's go in there. 5k? Oh, very close. Very, very close to a 5k from just plonking outside the country. Afghanistan? Yeah. Let's go to Afghanistan. Somewhere in the middle of Kabul, because I don't know where this is. 3k's at 3k's at that time. But still not too bad. We're looking over here. That's the Guyana flag. Georgetown. I don't know where Georgetown. Don't know, so just one of these somewhere here maybe. Just over there. Nice. Yeah, we screwed one up there, but I think actually what I want to do now is I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go back to the flags of the world. We'll play, but we'll play with the time limit. We'll play, not moving panels, but we'll play with a 20-second time limit. Let's go. Let's try this. A couple of games of this, and we'll call it a mail. I think we'll call it a video. Okay, we're off. This is Germany. Now I don't know where in Germany. We'll just go to the capital, but it could be many places. Let's try there. Wait. Palestine. Okay, I'm a fool. Okay, I don't know what I was doing there. Time pressure, I guess. That's Morocco. Morocco is here. I don't know, let's just go somewhere in here like that or something. Yeah, nice. Just click middle. This is actually Somaliland. We are, I don't know, just in, where's the capital city of Somaliland? This city here, I'm pretty sure. So we'll get into there. Can we find maybe? Yeah, that's plonk middle, I think. And yeah, 1.4k out on that road, right road. Nice stuff. This is, oh god, why have we got so many flags? Welcome to, I think we have to trust the middle one. We go Oman. I think it's what I'm going to have to do here. There's lots of other flags there, but I think I have to go with this one, just go Oman. Hopefully it's Oman. It is Oman. 10 kilometers out there, way out there though. But yeah, it's still alright. Screw that first one up, which is annoying. You're on the final round, and we are in Benin. Okay. Let's get in there, Porto Novo. Let's go like, I don't know, here or something. This kind of looks alright. Let's go here maybe. This looks like, oh, 5k, let's go. I think I've had that round before, that's probably why, 5k. But let's go, that's a 5k, nice. 20k, because we screwed one up, so. But yeah, I think we'll go for one more game here, just to call the video out. Let's go one more video. And I think we'll call it. This is bloody this place again. Bloody Oman over here. Where are we? It's like way out here somewhere. Where was it? Somewhere over here, wasn't it? I think it might be here or something like that. 3 commas. We'll be close to that time. Just over there. Where is our flag? It is right there. It is the flag of Sudan. If I'm not mistaken. Where in Sudan is this though? Wait, Sudan. We're going to, okay, I'll go near Khartoum. 28 kilometers. Yeah, we're a bit further up. But it's not too bad. Not too bad. What do we got? Flags. So speaking Cyrillic. It's Tajikistan. Where's the capital? It's Dushanbe. Let's get in there. Let's click middle. Nice. Yeah, nice. Keep on going. Okay. This is gonna be Argentina. Just probably gonna be Buenos Aires. Let's go there somewhere. I think will be good. Nice. Have this round already. Oh god, where am I zooming? Oh, there, that's where we want, don't we? Yeah, nice. Let's do one more actually. Just for it all, we'll do one more. One more. Good, now that. Let's do one more for the fine arts up there. It's Kazakhstan. Is this one? We got Cyrillic. We'll go capital, but it could be anywhere in the country. I hope for capital. Okay, what's capital? Nice. So there's North Macedonia. Let's get in there. Let's go Skopje. 190 meters. Very nice. Okay, round 3. What do we got? Flags are over there. Oh god, what is this? Indo? Oh god, what is this? No, it's Albania, I think, actually. I think it's Albania. Oh, yes, it was. I think I should have been black on there, but maybe I didn't. Anyway. 4, 5. We are in Malta. Yeah, zoom in onto Malta first. There it is. Let's get in there. Let's just go somewhere like here or something like that. 584 meters away, just down there. And here we go, final round. What do we got? We have got just oh god, where's the flag? Oh man, where's the flag? Looks somewhat Caribbean, but I don't know. I can't find the flag. I'm going to Dominica, but I have no idea what this is. I can't find the flag. It was up in Bermuda actually. So we screw up there. And damn.